BloomTech's web development course will train you to become a full-stack developer. But what exactly does that mean? You will learn to work with both the front and back end of a web app, also known as a full stack. This means you'll be able to tackle projects that involve working with databases, building user interfaces, and working with clients during planning. Front-end developer, web or app developer, software engineer. These are just a few of the jobs our web development course prepares you for. Software and web developers earn a median $105,000 each year. And software developer roles are expected to grow 22% over the next decade. That's nearly 3 times the average job growth in the US on hands-on projects, and then we'll help you at every step of the job search process until you land a well-paying job. In short, you graduate ready to work. So if you have the drive to become a web developer and are willing to work hard for a better life, we can help. Apply now to the Fullstack Web Development Program and try us risk-free.